steeple, bro.
Or MPB can stand for mice, parakeets.
Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
And bats. Or MPB can stand for mice, parakeets.
Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
God damn, I seen both them niggas coming at me. I literally tried to get in the middle, cause like,
Oh. Phone too. That pissed me off.
oh
Jesus Christ!
Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
JNH 323.
Take the US 202 North ramp.
She's finishing school.
Who?
Ian, she's a teacher, remember?
Oh, yeah.
I'm hurt. We gotta get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Can you get out? I'm hurt.
This moron, no signal, loses control and smashes into the center divider. As you see again in slow motion, the white car brakes, stops, able to avoid that idiot, and as I go around them, a couple people behind me could not see the accident and they pile in too. So if I didn't get out when I did, I would have been a part of all that mess. And you'll see that black car smash and then a couple other cars smashing behind them. So lucky me.
Pick a lane, dude.
American Express corporate program. You can customize key elements to match your company's needs.
Going up
Explore
the hill.
and apply from a variety of card types based on employee roles.
Yeah, that's
Select
'cause you
liability and billing
slowed down
options that
going
fit
up
your
the hill.
needs. Add spending controls to support compliance. And decide whether earning rewards or cash back in the form of statement credit delivers more value.
Your car today with
Carvana.
Delivery or pickup fees may apply. Limitations and exclusions may apply. See our 7-day return policy at Carvana.com.
You're on Earth. You have this foot problem.
Don't spin your freaking tire.
Imagine
that someone gives you
I watched him do that so many times. Yeah, because he could charge like this, you know, crazy amount, and they just get the shittiest, cheapest tequila from like Costco or wherever. Sour grapes. It's all about these wine guys. They got duped. They were buying this wine that was like Thomas Jefferson's wine. It was like some dude was making it. Some dude in Century City was like making the bottle like dirt on him. And he was mixing a bunch of cheap wine to try to come up with this flavor. So weird.
Checked her bag, but nothing was inside. You think the devil has horns? Well, so did I. But I was wrong, his hair is gold and he wears a suit. He's nice, polite, he'll catch you.